It's probably the best place in the UK where you get so many people from our industry together in one place.
Quite busy, lots and lots of different people. We've met sort of sole traders, carpenters, business owners, even people. I met somebody yesterday that came from Zurich.
By the numbers that we've had come in, it's been absolutely great. By 11 o'clock we've generated about 8 good leads, so we're happy, we're very happy.
Shows like this, like the professional woodworking show and the installer show, super important. They really help elevate the industry and the sector. They help educate what's going on in the world, what's going on in new products and design. So yeah, really important.
To do leads like this without the show, it could take 6, 9, 12 months. Yesterday we had a lot of leads, but today within the first 3 hours we've probably got more leads than what we had yesterday. Yesterday was good and today is just even better.